Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Krishna Raghavendran, and in this video we will learn two extensions. The first one is the alarm extension and the flashlight extensions. So these both are simple extensions, and we will learn this because this is the first tutorial of MIT App Inventor extensions. So we will make many more tutorials on how to use the different extensions available. So now let's start. So first you need to import an extension. I have already imported it. If you don't know what these extensions are, please go back and see the previous video. The of the previous video is in the description. Yes. So now I have imported the typhon alarm. Let me drag it here. Yes. So now for the alarm, we need the components which we need are a button and then a text box. We need two text boxes. Yes. So now let's name this button set alarm. Yes. So now what we are going to do is that here they will enter the hours and here the minutes. And now let's start doing the programming for this. So when button 1 dot click, which is set alarm, it should call typhon alarm dot set message, hour and minute. So I think you need another text box. This is for the message. So they will enter a message and after the alarm is set and when the particular time comes of the alarm, it will give a message. So this will set the alarm in our mobile's alarm app. Yes, so now the message is going to be the text box 3.text, or you can also enter a message by going here. The hour will be text box 1 and the minute will be text box 2. Yes, so now let's test our app. But before we test it, we need to do a change to the code. So instead of using text boxes, we are going to use time picker. So let's name this set time. So in a time picker, when you click the button, it's not a normal button and there will be a clock in which you can select the hours and minutes and then which we will use for the alarm. So now what we are going to do is that the hour is going to be time picker 1 dot hour and the minute is going to be time picker 1 dot minute. Yes, so now it looks a little more easy for the user to use, and if we put in text boxes the user will not know in which format he needs to enter the time. So now this will be more easy. So now we can test our app. I recommend you to build the app because for me it doesn't work in the companion. There is some problem with the extension. You can build the app and let's see if it is working. So now we have our app here. Let's set the time. So now it is 16:18. I'm going to set it to 16:19. Okay. And the message is going to be hello. Set alarm. So now it shows alarm will go off in less than 1 minute. So let's wait for the alarm to come.
Yes, so here you can see it hello here because it has become 1619, which is 419. So now let's turn it off. So now our alarm extension works. So now let's do the flashlight extension.
Yes, so now let's do the flashlight extension. So I have imported the Typhon flashlight extension. So now I have dragged it in and you can see it in the components. So now we also need a button. Yes. So now I'm going to do like when button one click, call Typhon flashlight dot on. It's that simple and our programming is over. And you can also have another button for off. And using the button you can put you can instead of this you can do like off. I'm sorry. Here we have it. So now let's change this text to on and off. So for me, I connected using the companion and it doesn't work. It gives an error. So for this extension too, we need to build the app to test it. If it might work for you, try connecting to the AI companion. But if it doesn't work, you can build the app. Yes. So now let me test.
I built the app and now let's test the flashlight app. So now I'm going to click on
Now you can see that the flashlight is on.
is on and off and it will become off.
You can see that there is no light coming from the mobile.